Hey everybody, in this video we're going to look at how you can force a copy of a Google product onto somebody else by them clicking a link. So step one is to find the Google product that you want to have them make a copy of, and then you'll want to click the share button up here in the top right. And when you're in there, you just want to make sure you change the permissions so that's either public or so that anyone with a link can view. If it's set to private, then this won't work for people that are, say, outside of your organization. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is come up here to the URL and change the end of it from copy. It'll normally be edit. You'll change it from edit to copy, like that. So it looks kind of like these down here. You can see this first one is edit, and the second one I changed to copy. This one that says copy is the one I'm going to share with somebody else, my students, for example. If you want to make sure that this works, what you could do is open up, say, incognito window on your computer and sign into a different account. And then I'm going to paste that link over here so you can see this is the one that says copy, and this is what it looks like on their end. It just says you want to make a copy of it, and then they would click make a copy, and then it'll go to their Google Drive, and then they'll have a copy of that document, which, by the way, I will put this into the description of the video. So if you want this document, you can have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.